Hello, my name is Darwin. I'm from Lake Worth, Florida. I just want to show you guys this little video here. A customers of my wife wants me to clean his pool deck. As you can see, I don't know what is that yellow stain there, but I believe it will come off. I'm not quite sure how many square feet is this pool, but it looks like a decent size. Let's see here. A lot of stain there. He wants me to pressure wash all this. I gotta move all this stuff out. Seen that? I want you guys to help me, give me a price more or less how much you could charge these people. They live over here on Delray Beach, Florida. I'm sorry about the video. I'm walking